Adding or pairing a smart key fob to your 2011 to 2015 Lincoln MKX is often a straightforward DIY task, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars. These models use traditional RF key fobs, and programming involves synchronizing the remote with the vehicle's immobilizer system via the onboard computer. This guide provides an overview of how to do this. Begin by entering the vehicle with a working key and ensuring all doors are closed. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then press the lock button on the key fob. Cycle the ignition from off to on position repeatedly, typically 5 to 8 times, while pressing the key fob buttons as prompted by the vehicle. Note that specific steps can vary slightly depending on the model year of your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX. A new battery in the key fob is essential for successful programming. Compatibility of the key fob is crucial to avoid programming issues. Use a genuine Ford or Lincoln fob or a compatible programmable aftermarket version.